Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is creamy chicken thighs. I love this recipe for a great meal prep. It is creamy yogurt tomato chicken thighs over cauliflower rice. I love prepping this, and this is great to freeze so it's ready to go if you need to have a quick dinner. Let's first prep our chicken. I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Make sure you get an organic chicken. Make sure that it is air chilled. That is the best way to go so that you don't have that chlorine wash in chicken. Of course, if you can get fresh chicken, that's the best, but most of us don't have that resource. So pasture raised, organic, air chilled chicken. These boneless, skinless chicken thighs just make it a lot easier to cook. So I'm gonna take the pieces and I wanna cut them up into 1-inch cubes. Now, you can also use chicken breast, but I think the chicken thigh has a lot more flavor, which is why I prefer to use it. So I just cut it up into pieces. And do this for all of your chicken thighs. Again, all of my ingredients and measurements will be down in the description below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to also hit that subscribe button down below and like this video while you're at it. We're ready to season our chicken thighs. I threw all of my cut up chicken thighs into a large bowl. I'm gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and we're going to drizzle on top about 1/4 cup of olive oil. I will put all the measurements of how much chicken thighs this is. Again, this is a meal prep, so I'm going to cook half of it for the meals that I'm eating this week and then freeze the other half so it's ready to go for another meal and it's just already prepped. I'm next going to add my Greek yogurt. I am using the Maple Hill Greek yogurt. This is unsweetened Greek yogurt. I'm gonna add about 1/3 cup. Now adding some tomato paste. We're gonna squeeze in about 2 tablespoons. Then we're going to add minced garlic. I like to use the one that's marinated in a jar for this. And I'm adding about 2 tablespoons as well. Adding 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of each of our seasonings. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of salt. Black pepper. You guys already know, again, all the measurements will be down in the description below. Basil. Mild paprika or smoked paprika. Granulated garlic powder. And dried oregano. And now I put a glove on to make it easier to mix, so we're just going to mix all of these ingredients together. I'm going to cover this in plastic wrap and just let it marinate while I prep my cauliflower rice. Let's cook our cauliflower rice. I have a nonstick pan heating on medium heat, and I'm going to take some riced cauliflower and dump it into the pan. I'm also going to add some carrots and peas. I'm just going to spread this out a bit, and we're going to first let this heat up in the pan. This is previously frozen. You can get fresh as well, but I like to buy the riced cauliflower and the riced peas and carrots in bulk and just have it in my freezer so it's ready to go as a side for any protein that I'm eating. So let's let this heat up for about 30 seconds to a minute. After about 30 seconds, let's give this a stir. Start breaking up those frozen pieces. As our frozen cauliflower and those peas start to defrost, we're going to mix them together. They also sell the cauliflower rice already with the peas and carrots, but if you can find that, get it together, but I couldn't find it, so I just buy it separately and mix it when I cook it. I'm going to now add some olive oil. We're just going to drizzle it on top and add our seasonings. Let's add some black pepper. And I do about half a teaspoon for the cauliflower rice. Salt, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. And let's give this a good mix. I'm gonna cover it again with the lid and let this sit for another minute. Our cauliflower rice is now finished. Let's set this aside so we can work on cooking our chicken. We're ready to cook our chicken thighs. I have a steel pan heated on medium heat. I am going to throw in some avocado oil, let that heat up, and then we are going to put in our chicken thighs. I don't want to overcrowd the pan too much, and we're gonna let these cook for about a minute and a half, just until they are fully cooked and nice and golden brown. After about a minute and a half, it's going to start to get nice and golden. You're going to keep stirring it until all of your pieces are nice and golden brown like this. Depending on how thick they are, it could be between like a minute and a half, 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Just cook it until it's ready. And there you have it, a delicious chicken thigh meal prep, creamy Greek yogurt, chicken thighs over cauliflower rice. So great. I make this, like I said, I make this for meal prep and then I put it in the freezer and it is just ready to go whenever I need a quick meal that doesn't require any preparation prior to cooking. Let's get a nice little bite right here, get some of our rice, get some of our chicken. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe. Can't wait for you to try it. Cheers. The yogurt really softens up the chicken thighs. I mean, chicken thighs are already really great to cook with because they're super soft meat, but with that yogurt, it just gives it such a nice texture and flavor. You guys are gonna absolutely love this recipe. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.